Hello kids, today we will learn about 15 pet animals. Let's begin. Cow, cow, goat, goat, dog, dog, cat, cat, guinea pig, guinea pig, horse, horse, sheep, sheep, donkey, donkey, pig, pig, camel, camel, buffalo, buffalo, rabbit, rabbit, monkey, monkey, hamster, hamster. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.